Nature, our home for more than 2.5 million years. Probably you are watching this video in a mobile device or in your computer. The thing is, you don't get outside anymore. You stopped watching and feeling when you look at the small things in life. You lost track of the seasons and your home is now a building. You only see nature from videos or from your car window. You cease to feel. You don't do it anymore. Go outside. Get some fresh air. Take a look at your former home and wonder just by looking at what you are missing. You missed a lot, didn't you? Put your boots on. Grab your backpack. Smile. A foot in front of the other. The journey will take you to a deep place within you, where you can be alone with yourself. The journey will unfold a million of possibilities. You lost yourself just to be found again. You are no longer lost. You went outside to meet and greet you. Who can be lost when exactly knows where it can be found? Immerse yourself in the green, into the sounds and smells. They are familiar to you, you just forgot how beautiful they are. Life can be overwhelming. Emails, co-workers, managers, tasks, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, children, husband or wife, neighbors, noise, traffic, all this making you stay put. But remember the words of Tom Waits, when you're feeling blue and lost all your dreams, there is nothing like a campfire and a can of beans. Join the party, get into nature, you'll get more than it gives. John Muir once said, in every walk with nature one receives more than he seeks. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Let your heart sing with the birds and the wind. Let your soul fly. In the end, you will be a different you.